over the past few days and weeks, we've seen a fair share of severe weather on this edition of Weather-Wise. Our meteorologist Dylan Hudler talks about severe thunderstorms and what you should do when one is on the way.
Welcome back to Weather-Wise. I'm your host, meteorologist Dylan Hudler. Today I'm going to be talking to you about something we're no stranger to here in Mississippi or Alabama, severe weather. And specifically severe thunderstorms. I know, believe me, we get too much of it. I'm sick of it too, just as much as you are. But it is nice to be educated about it and know kind of the difference between these different watches, warnings, and what a severe thunderstorm is and kind of what impacts it can bring to the region. You know, severe weather season for us is mainly in the fall and spring, but with us being in the south, we get some bad storms year-round, and we can get them really at any point. So it's important to stay in tune with the forecast, but the type of weather alert we get most often is severe thunderstorm warnings. We get a lot of them periodically throughout the year, so what exactly makes a thunderstorm severe? Well, the National Weather Service issues a severe thunderstorm warning when a thunderstorm has at least one or all of these things. 1-inch hail, which is quarter size. So if a thunderstorm has quarter size hail, it's considered severe. If it has 58 mile per hour or greater wind gusts, it's considered severe. And obviously, it's pretty self-explanatory. If there's a tornado, it's severe, and they'll issue a tornado warning. But specifically with those severe thunderstorm warnings, they're much more common. We get a lot of severe thunderstorms around here with wind and hail and frequent lightning, and so it's important to know the difference. Severe thunderstorm warnings are issued a lot, and when there is a severe thunderstorm warning, it means damaging winds or hail is occurring with that thunderstorm. If you're in that warning box or you get an alert for it, or we call out your county, you want to seek shelter inside, get away from windows, don't want those winds or that hail coming through and injuring you. And sometimes tornadoes can occur with severe thunderstorm warnings as well. And that's why they added that tornado possible tag to that warning text, and that we let you know just in case that storm is also showing some signs of rotation. The good news is severe thunderstorm warnings usually last a short amount of time, an hour or less typically. And when conditions are favorable for severe storms, that's when they issue a severe thunderstorm watch. Usually that lasts longer, but it's when we're monitoring the situation and kind of letting you know that severe thunderstorms are expected later on and that we'll likely have some severe thunderstorm warnings issued. And those watches last for a few hours. So the good thing to do and the best way to be prepared is, if you know we're going to have storms with high winds, secure those loose outdoor objects. You don't want your trash can flying down the street or patio furniture blowing through the yard when that storm comes through. So always just be prepared, move that stuff inside or tie it down just in case. Know your safe place. In this case with severe thunderstorms, most of the time it's just inside. You don't want to be outside when there's wind and hail and heavy rain coming through. So if there's a severe thunderstorm warning, just get inside. Get inside and be away from windows, close the door. Have a way to get those weather alerts. Of course, with us, we always post severe thunderstorm warnings when they're issued on our social media accounts to let you know it's a good idea to get inside. You can charge your cell phones because severe thunderstorms often knock out power, and know what county you live in. This one's really important. We post a graphic from time to time that kind of reminds you the Columbus area is Lowndes County, Starkville is Oktibbeha County, the Louisville area is Winston County, and the Tupelo area is Lee County. Just to call out a few. There's many more that we cover, but I'd be here listing counties forever if that was the case. So it's up to you to do your research and remember what county you live in. Just keep that in mind and keep an eye out for that when we post about a warning being issued. You want to stay informed. If you hear us talk about storms, just check in the forecast throughout the day on that day that we expect those to move through. We'll always be here to keep you updated. That's all I have for you with this. We want you to be aware in case a severe thunderstorm warning is issued. Usually we're most concerned about tornado warnings, but severe thunderstorms can cause damage and be dangerous as well. So it's always nice to be vigilant and stay aware on those severe weather days. If you have any questions, or maybe you'd like to see another segment featured, email me at weather@wcbi.com. Reach out to us on our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram pages. And until next time, y'all take care.
Weather-Wise is brought to you by 4 County Electric Power Association.